Where should I open my new site or factory? Which battery aftermarket should I enter? Does India or the US make more sense for my logistics hub? These are major strategic decisions. Of course, data and AI can support such choices, but they don't decide for you. They empower leaders to make better decisions with the right insights at the right time. Many expect AI to deliver ready-made decisions, but strategy demands more judgment, context, and responsibility. AI provides transparency and foresight. Humans provide direction, and without this, organizations risk blind trust or hesitation. Traditional tools like simulations and what-if analysis remain vital for capturing expertise and testing scenarios. AI can enhance them by structuring data, identifying patterns, and accelerating insights, but without strong leadership to ask the right questions, even the best models fall short. Effective decision-making at top management level is not about choosing between human expertise and AI. It's about combining them. It is human judgment that defines relevance, challenges assumptions, and makes strategic choices. For example, in the battery industry, transparency dashboards and forecasting tools transform raw data into scenario-based insights. Demand simulations support smarter procurement and production planning. In high-tech manufacturing, AI-driven models help evaluate potential sites for new facilities, simulating supply chains, talent availability, and geopolitical risks. These models don't make decisions, they enable them. Our approach at Porsche Consulting enables our clients to build the structures to evaluate data properly, ask the right questions, and translate insights into strategy. We help organizations move beyond hype, embedding AI into decision-making processes that remain firmly human-led. Our approach ensures that technology serves leadership and not the other way around.